Good morning, students.
Good morning,
Today,
I'm fine. I'm fine.
okay, thank you. Today, we will continue our lessons, but before that, please pray for the God. Swardini, let your friend pray to the God.
Okay, Miss. Okay, everyone. Before we going to start to the class, let's we pray for the God. Let's start by praying to the God. Have you finished?
Alright. Jika sudah masuk semua, hari ini kita akan lanjut ke pelajaran selanjutnya. Sudah siap untuk belajar? Are you ready for studying today?
Yes, ready.
Yes,
ready.
Thank you. Lessons. I'd like to look at about your grooming. Alvin, we will continue to the silence. Yeah. Look about the silence and do it first.
Kita sebagai salah atau berdiri dengan tegak sesuai posisi Bapak Ibu dan hadirin semua. Posisi tubuh tegak lurus, hati dengan kata su. Hembuskan nafas dengan kata ha. Dan lantunkan salam damai Om Santi 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 Om.
Okay, students, we will continue to our study today. But I'd like to explain that we have to for 4C ya. Jadi Ibu inginkan kalian untuk bisa menghasilkan 4C. Yang pertama itu the first is critical thinking, that you have to learn or to think some critical thinkings. And then the second is collaboration. You have to collaborate some ideas with your friends in the groups. And then communication, you can communicate all of the discussion that you have to show in your class with your friends. Jadi Ibu inginkan kalian ada kegiatan di sini yang 4C. Yang pertama ada critical thinking, kemudian collaboration, new materials by me, ya. Oke. Jadi tujuan pembelajaran di sini melalui proses menggali informasi itu in our daily life we often have to perform some steps to make or get some things done. Most of our daily activities are related with steps to do something or making something. Ya, okay. Who has been in the restaurant? Siapa yang pernah ke restoran?
I miss.
Okay, Elvin, and then okay, Swardini, Elvin and Swardini. I have one question again. What do you find, or what do you find in the restaurant?
At the restaurant, I can find the table, menus, and chairs.
Okay, menu. Okay, tables, menu, and chairs. Okay, thank you. So we have to talks about the menu today. Which one that you have to learn about the recipe, yeah? Because you are a culinary class, so you have to familiar about the recipe here. Then you have the task in the end of the in the end of the school, you have to explain about what are the ingredients, what are the steps that you have to explain about the recipe for the guests, ya. Jadi di sini karena kalian adalah kelas kuliner, jadi kalian harus familiar sekali bagaimana resep itu dibuat ya, baik berupa bahan-bahannya ataupun langkah-langkahnya ya. Okay, we have to discuss about the first task ya. Jadi di sini tugas individu kalian yang pertama itu setelah Ibu menjelaskan bagaimana kalian harus melihat ataupun mempelajari resep-resep apa namanya yang tadi Suardini sebutkan itu benar sekali, it's correct about we have to learn about the menu and then we have to learn about the recipe. So today I have two texts that you must read it first. And then you can find about the difficult words. Okay, this is the first text, how to make sunrise mocktails. And then the second text is how to make a crepes vanilla ice cream with orange sauce. Yeah. So I give you 5 minutes, and then you have to read about the. Okay, this is the find it. Okay, the response is, and then which one the sentences that you find that difficult words, yeah. Okay, I have to collect the use freshly squeezed juice for the healthier alternative. Could you repeat once again, Alvin?
Ya, Miss.
Ya. Sekarang coba gimana caranya Elvin membaca satu kalimat yang Elvin dapatkan freshly tersebut.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, please.
Use freshly squeezed juice for a healthy alternative.
Oke, very good ya. Sudah ada caranya membaca bagaimana membaca yang baik dan benar. Oke. I have some you have floatish here. Please read which one the sentences that you show one difficult word that you find in the text.
Okay, footage. My advice,
Silakan.
footage. My advice is to skip the fog. No one footage in their virgin sunrise mocktail.
This one. Okay, thank you, Suardini. Alright, there are some exercise you have to find it. Jadi silakan nanti setelah kalian mengisi Google Form, ini ada di LKPD ya. Kalian kan sudah download semua. Now we have to continue to the next task. Okay, text 1 we have to finish it. Now we continue to text 2. But before we have to continue to text 2, please collect all of the text 1 in Suardini, ya, Suardini as a leader of this class, and then your LKPD have to collect it in Suardini, ya. Jadi taks 1 yang sudah kalian kerjakan, baik itu di form ataupun di LKPD, silakan nanti dikumpulkan ke Suardini. Si kalian pelajaran sebelumnya itu resipi itu seperti apa, ya. Jadi di sana kalian bisa melihat bagaimana how about the ingredients ya, and then how about the steps ya. There are some steps you have to explain about the menu or the recipe for the guest, something like that ya. Okay. Now we have to continue to the next session or the next task 3. We have to divide it for you with 3 groups. Yeah, you have to join to all the breakout room. View the share screen. Okay. This is the text that you have to all right, here you student, in this task you have to answer 5 questions based on the 2 pictures given. Have you finished? Ada kendala? Sudah selesai? Ada kendala?
No.
Sudah? Okay. All right, I'd like to join in group 2. Oke, Ardiawan, Putra keluar gini ya, sinyalnya menghilang ya. Kamu sendiri di sini ya. Tapi sudah selesai kan? Barusan Putra keluar ya, keluar Putra Astawa keluar grup ya, aku nggak ada di sini. Berarti barusan sudah dapat diskusikan dengan Putra ya? Ya.
Sudah, Bu.
Oke,
Ya.
sudah bisa dijawab pertanyaan dari taks yang Ibu kasih ya. Sudah diwakili, lagi sebentar wakili menjawab ya, yang grup 2 ya.
Siap, Bu.
Oke, Ibu ke grup 3.
Ini Bapak.
Oke. Grup 3 sudah selesai untuk mendiskusikan tugasnya.
Yes, Miss.
Siap, sudah, Miss.
Ada kendala enggak?
Tidak, Miss.
Tidak, Miss.
Oke, sudah semua di sini. Berarti kita lanjut ke taks selanjutnya ya. Kalian sudah selesai mendiskusikan dengan kelompok kalian ya. Nah, jadi kita lanjut ke diskusi antar kelompok ya. Yang satu menjawab, yang lainnya menanggapi. Sudah siap? Are you ready for the task? Okay,
I
Lydia.
answer to the question number 1.
Hmm?
The picture 1 is surfing with plate, and number 2 with box.
Okay. Picture 1 is surfing by a plate, and picture 2 is surfing by box. Okay. Number 2, ada 2 perbedaan yang diminta. Tadi kan baru 1 perbedaan. Perbedaan yang kedua apa? Oke, it's okay. Bagaimana kalau dari kelompok yang lain? Ada tanggapan?
Ya, Miss.
Ya? Oke, Mahendra. Is it correct
Yes,
the first pictures? Ya, is it correct the first differences? Sudah benar nggak perbedaan yang pertama?
Sudah, Miss.
Oke,
Tapi
sekarang,
saya ada tambahan.
alright. Yes, please.
Pix 1 is belayag and Pix 2 is chicken.
Oke, thank you. It's okay. It's good ya. Jadi sudah benar. Jadi Mahendra sudah memberikan tambahan Suardini ya. Jadi sudah lengkap jadinya ya. Oke, jadi silakan kalian sekarang taks 4-nya mencari ataupun membuat kalimat baru lagi. Contohnya mungkin 1 atau 2 orang. Silakan Ibu kasih waktu 5 menit. I give you 5 minutes to make a sentence ya. Helpen, yes, please Helpen.
Yeah. Combine the ice cup, syrup, and simple syrup.
Okay, this is the difficult word is combine. Yeah, combine the ice cube, syrup, and simple syrup. Alright, thank you, very good. All of the student very good. Ya, jadi hari ini benar-benar aktif sekali. Gimana kalian bisa menjawab segala taks dari taks 1, taks 2, taks 3, taks 4, dan taks 5. Oke, jadi bisa kita simpulkan. What are you learn in this class today? Have you answer my question? Siapa yang mau menyimpulkan apa yang kalian dapatkan hari ini? Raise your hand, please.
Yang saya dapat pelajari adalah membaca dan mencari kata-kata sulit dari 2 buah resep, Bu.
Okay, thank you ya. Jadi kita bisa we have the difficult words and read how to read the text, procedure text. Sudah ada gambaran kan ya. Jadi minggu depan kita akan lanjutkan ke procedure text. We have to learn about the generic structures, the linear features of procedure text. Baik, anak-anak, karena pelajaran sudah selesai, kita lanjutkan minggu depan. Tugasnya tetap dikerjakan ya, yang belum dapat giliran, baik itu silakan kalian kerjakan LKPD-nya, kemudian nanti dikumpulkan ke Suardini. Before that, you have to pray for the God first. Suardini, please lead the pray for the God. Silakan Suardini.
Okay. Before we go on the class, we go to thanks for the God.
Pas dengan kata ham. Lantunkan salam damai.
Untuk hari ini Bu cukupkan. Terima kasih atas waktunya. Sampai jumpa minggu depan. Goodbye.